They say you're only as strong as your team is. It's so true when you look at any level of success in anything that requires any sort of team. I couldn't be who I am today and write books and become a speaker and have my nonprofit charity taking me all around the world without a team. You know, many people find it very difficult to understand the importance of making sure that your team actually feels like a team and that you're building them up. You can have very strong chains trying to wrap something up, but if one of those links in the chain is weak, then the whole chain breaks. It's so important that you don't just look at the bottom line and the profit or loss. You don't just look at the things you've achieved. No, we're a team. We need to help each other. We need to cover each other's backs. It's known that it's lonely at the top unless you bring your team with you.